Hello, good day. So, thank you once again for tuning in to watch my video. I really appreciate. And if you're just seeing me for the first time, my name is Emmanuel and I'm a day trader. So, I know that it's been long since I posted, and that's because the phone I was using before was having issues. So, I couldn't record because the storage was already filled up. Sorry, the storage was already getting filled up, and the camera. So let's just leave the camera aside just because of the storage, and the phone had battery issues, so it cannot stay on for long. Even when the battery is full, it cannot stay on for long. And I think if you looked at the thumbnail, you see the phone I was using before. That was an Oppo A57. I'll just do a video to just show you guys the phone I was using before. So good day guys, so here's the phone I was using before. As you can see, here's how the phone is. It's an Oppo A57, the 2016 model. So let me open it. So as you can see on this side of the screen, you see that some part is blind. So that's what I was saying. So you cannot analyze properly. And also, it's the phone I was using to do all those my recording. If you watch, you see some of my content. This is where I was recording my videos also. So I think this is also motivation for people. If you're just starting out, you can just try and what you have at the moment, just use it to start out, and then as you progress you get better. Alright, so that phone was stressful, but I thank God I was able to get a new one, and that's what I'm using to record now. And if you've been watching my video in the past, you see that there is a difference in the camera quality. The phone I bought now is a Techno Pop 7. That's what I'm using to record now. Techno Pop 7. Although it's not like new phone, it's not like carton. I bought it second hand, or you can call it used phone. So, but it's okay. But at least it's better than the one I was using before. And I thank God. At least now I can be able to record videos because it has a much larger storage than that other one, and the camera quality is good. And also, aside that, my trading now will be better. You know, my other phone, I could not download Trading View because, like, Trading View app, I could not download it because it wasn't compatible with the phone. But now this one is compatible with it, so I can do my analysis. And this one has a big screen also. So I think one lesson I got from this phone issue now is the fact that if you have access to good resources, it will really help your progress. So if you can, try your best to get the things that make stuff easier for you. You see that it will really help your growth. It will really help your growth. Sorry if I'm looking here and there. I saw one of you guys commented that I should be looking at the lens and not myself. So that's why I'm looking like. Since I'm not used to looking at the lens, I'm used to looking at myself. That's why you see me going back and forth. But I'm trying my best. Every day we improve. That's just it. So aside that, now let's get to the mentorship. So the mentorship, we are done with the basics. You know, before we were in the basics, we were still learning the basics. But now we have entered technical analysis very well. And on Friday we learned market structure. So I'm excited. I know that yes, I already know market structure, higher high and higher low, but there are still some things that as I get to learn from tech race, I get to understand that there are still things I'm still missing out. It's not just only higher higher low. There are still things I'm missing out also that I have to be paying attention to. So and I'm grateful for that. And this is one of the reasons why I always um, say that mentorship is very good. If you can and you have the resource to get a mentorship, I promise you it will really help you. I know that yes, there are a lot of scam mentorship out there, but if you can get your hands on good mentorship, it will really help you. Mentorship is very good. Like it's very good, very good. So other than that, that's what I want to say about it. I've started market structure, but I've not started trading yet because we are still in market structure. I cannot just trade market structure. I cannot trade market structure only. I still need to learn a few things to add and combine everything into a system that I'll be trading. So before then, I will still be updating you guys on how the mentorship is going, because just like I said, these videos I'm posting is for accountability purpose and also for documentation. This is just me documenting my journey on this channel. So if you would like to see how it goes, don't forget to subscribe. So one other thing I wanted to share with you guys is reading of books. So me, I've always had this bad habit of always starting book. You know that motivation you get, and then you start a book, but then you don't finish it. But I display the vision. That's why this thing is shaking, because I'm using my hand to hold it. That's why. So you know that motivation you get, you start something, but then you're not able to finish it. So I've always lacked that discipline to finish reading books. But this time around, I said to myself that there's a book Tech Chris shared in his Telegram channel. That's his public Telegram channel. I think the name of the book is Who Shift My Cheese. I think yes, Who Shift My Cheese, the 1 Minute Manager. I read that book and that book was very informative. Like, it taught about belief, your belief, and how your belief can affect your life, either positively or negatively. So if you want that book also, I will put a link. I will just upload the book to my, because he shared the PDF to us. So I will just upload the book to my Google Drive, and then I'll share the link to you guys. I'll share the link in the description so you can go there and download the book for yourself and read. It's very helpful. It's not long. I think it's like 58 pages. So it's not long. I finished it in one day. Like at the stretch, I was just reading it. I finished it because it was interesting and very informative also. So reading of books. If you read books, there are informations that are hiding inside of books. Every day like this year, I'm just trying to be better. I'm trying to better myself, to like my self-improvement, improve myself, and also my trading also. So that's what I'm working towards. And I know that my trading this year will be great. I know that some persons will be like, "Wow, you're still learning technical analysis. Now why are you rushing to say you start making money?" Well, you know that when it comes to trading, technical analysis is not the hardest part. Mastering yourself is the hardest part. Under 1 to 2 months, you can learn technical analysis. You can, in one video, you understand what order block is, you understand market structure, you understand break of structure, shift in market structure. You can understand all of those things. But now mastering yourself is now like the hardest part, which is creating a rule and actually sticking to it, sticking to that system you've decided to trade. And since I've been a trader before, I've experienced these things. So compared to like people who are just coming into the trading industry, mine will be like faster. So I hope you understand what I'm saying. So that's why I'm saying that this year, I know that this year, by the grace of God, my trading is going to take a different turn for good. So I think this video is already 8 minutes and 38 seconds. So I think this is just what I wanted to share, that I got a new phone. I'm very happy. because the battery in this phone is good. The battery is good. I don't have to worry about my phone switching off when I'm studying, because that my other phone, even when the phone is at 50%, it can just switch off, and you'll be trying to on it. It will not go, it will come on, it will go off, it will come on. So like that, you have to leave the phone for some time before you can turn it on. And if you watch the video, you see that the screen, some part of the screen got blind. So if you're doing your analysis there, you know that there are some details you miss, because why? That ink that poured on the screen will not allow you to see, not allow you to view the chart very well. But with this one now, the screen is bigger, the battery is better, I can learn for long, I can analyze very well and see the chart back. So you understand. So getting good resources would really help you, and reading of books will really help you. Getting a good mentor, getting into good mentorship will also really help you. So this video is about 10 minutes, and I think I want this video to just be 10 minutes, and because of the video that we add. So this is it, guys. So if you want to see how this journey goes, because when I learn technical analysis finish, I'll come back again into my documentation of passing pop firms, getting payout like I used to do before. So if you love such content and you want to see how it goes, please do not forget to first of all like this video and also subscribe below. Alright, thank you so much. I'm thinking if there's any other thing I'm missing. So nothing else. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm still looking at myself. See you guys later. Peace. Also, before I forget, like I always used to remind you, make sure you're working on yourself. Make sure you're working on yourself as you're watching other persons working on themselves. This video is already 11. Make sure you're working on yourself. I'm talking to you. Try improve yourself also. You deserve a better life. Alright. Peace.